Hello everyone, this is Crystal. Welcome to our German lessons for A1 level. In this video, we will learn how to identify short and long sounds in German words. Our lesson is about examples of German vowels, Vokale. To practice your speaking part in German, you can repeat the words after me. Sprechenteil, Sprechenteil. Auf Deutsch, auf Deutsch. Aussprache means pronunciation. Die Schreibung means spelling. To pronounce the words correctly, you must know how the German words are spelled. The 5 vowels in the German alphabet are called Vokale. A, E, I, O, U. First topic is about long vowels, Lange Vokale. Long vowels have long sounds. Beispiele, examples with long vowels. Vowels with long sounds are either doubled, followed by a single consonant or silent H. When you see doubled vowels like this, the word has a long sound. T, T, T. The German long E is pronounced like the double E in seen. Seen, seen, 10. The German long U is pronounced like the O in broth. Brot, Brot, bread. Achtung, attention. Vowels with long sounds in their base forms remain long, even if the words will change and its vowel or vowels will be followed by 2 consonants. Schön means beautiful, while schönsten means most beautiful in English. Laufen means to run, while läuft means runs in English. If the syllable of a German word is not closed by a consonant, it has a long sound. Ja, ja, yes. Bluse, Bluse, blouse. The German long A is pronounced like the A in garden. Haben, haben, to have. The German word with IE is pronounced as a long E. If you see an ending E of a German word, it is pronounced as E. Biene, Biene, bee. The German long E is pronounced like the double E in seed. Knie, Knie, knee. The German word with an ending ER is pronounced like A in a British word later, or the R is hardly voiced. Beer, beer, beer. Remember that German words ending in unstressed vowels have long sounds. Cola, cola, Coke. Fatty, fatty, daddy. Next topic is about short vowels, Kurze Vokale. Short vowels have short sounds. Beispiele, examples with short vowels. Short vowels are followed by a double consonant. The German short O is pronounced like the double O in cook. Sonne, Sonne, sun. The German short A is pronounced like the U in cut. Hand, hunt, hand. The German short E is pronounced like the E in bed. Bet, bet, bed. Here are more examples on when to pronounce a word with a long or short sound. Kohl, Kohl, cabbage. The German long U is pronounced like the double O in cool. Fuss, Fuss, foot. Bear, bear, bear. Daumen, Daumen, thumb. Next is other examples of short vowels. Corp, corp, basket. The German vowel followed by CK has a short sound. Jacke, Jacke, jacket. The German short E is pronounced like the I in kitten. Milk, milk, milk. The German short U is pronounced like the double O in foot. Luft, Luft, air. Here is the overview on how to distinguish the long and short sounds of German words. Just remember its identifier. Here's the overview of when to pronounce short and long vowels. Next lesson is about German consonants. Thank you for watching this video. To support us, kindly like and subscribe. Thank you. To learn more German lessons for the A1 level for beginners, kindly watch other videos in our A1 playlist. Tschüss!